straight line. Question 5, paper 1, 2016. So we need to find the equation of the line in its simplest form. So what are we going to need? The gradient, point on the line, and y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. So those are the 3 things we need. So we're going to start with the gradient. So we have 2 points on the line, which is what we need. So we have D and E. Now let's get our values for these. So do that. So point D is here. And what do we have on our x-axis? A. So A is for age. So point D represents a 3-month-old calf. That's its age. So its value on the a-axis is 3. A, i.e. x, is 3. E is a 15-month-old calf. So E is 15. Does this make sense? Yes, because E is further along the a-axis than D is. And then on the y-axis, i.e. the W1, weight 100 kilograms. So Y is 100. And then the 15-month-old calf is 340 kilograms. So that'd be 340. Does this make sense? Well, yes, because E is higher up than D, which is what we would expect, because it's 3.4 times greater than D. So, now that we have our values, good old gradient formula. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M is equal to... Now, which one am I going to call? Oh, I'm going to be strategic here and call the one with the largest numbers 2, and D 1. So y2 is 340 minus 100. x2 is 15 minus 3. That is 240 over 12, which is equal to 20. So our gradient is equal to 20. Next thing we need, I'm going to put my little point here. So m is equal to 20, comma, what point are we using? Let's use 3/100 since it's easier to work with. And this is A and this is B. So y minus b equals m bracket x minus a. Y minus what's b? 100 equals 20 bracket x minus 3. See, y minus 100 equals 20x minus 60. Y is equal to 20x plus 40. And that is your equation of the line in its simplest form. However, we have one more step to do, and that actually, if you recall, we don't have x's and y's in our flat graph. We're using a's and w's. So we need to express this with a's and w's. So what does that mean? That just means that we replace our y with w. Y is equal to 20. We don't have an x-axis, we have an a-axis. So 20a plus 40. And that's your final answer for part A. So we're going to use our equation that we just made. And what are we told here? Well, we are told that we need to estimate the weight of a 1-year-old calf. So we're trying to find W, and we're told an A value. But remember, you have to be careful here, because this A represents months, not years. So what is 1 year in months? It's 12. So it would be W equals 20 times 12, because we're measuring in months, not years, plus 40, not 1, because if A was 1, that would be 1 month. Because look, age, months, so just be careful of that. W is equal to, well, 20 times 12 is 240, plus 40, and then W equals 280. So we would estimate weight is equal to 280 kilograms. That's your answer. So give yourself a tick and be careful of that 1 year, the year to months thing. Thanks for watching, everyone.